You're going to come into your apex, straighten this out, straight down at that CI marker. Straight, straight, straight. Give it a little bit of brake. Turning in early. You're going to take it a little farther down before you turn in. Alright. Let it track out all the way out. Then you get over here. In that way. Start letting it track out. Unwind. It'll be over there. Everything is slow, gentle movement. Go ahead and grab third. Run it in a little bit. Let it drift back wide. So that spot right there. Let it unwind, let it unwind. You're going to end up out here. Don't keep it off. Be really, really smooth on your gear changes, especially out here, because you're turning the whole time. Get out here. When you start bringing it in, you aim for those toes. You'll be over in that area like I didn't cut it. There you go. of track over there. Use all the track. That's what I'm saying, is we didn't rent half the track, we rented the whole damn thing. So use all of it. So you got 6 feet over here. There you go. There you go. That's good. That was actually okay, because you were bringing it in, and you're going to want to just drop your wheels on that white line. So when you drop over that white line, is your actual apex. Well, in the rain, it has nothing to do with horsepower. It has everything to do with smoothness. You're doing great. Done sooner. Get all that out of the way before you start hurting it.
I have trouble doing heel toe.
Okay.
So
that's something we can work on. And really, the biggest thing about heel toe is just practice. Just doing it. You can be downshifting there. Very good. Now let it track out. Here. Alright, what is this zigzag thing you're doing?
I don't know. Just trying to figure out this one.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to use that 2 apex thing, okay? Just so you have something to focus on. So you could have been over there, now you're bringing it in to the left side, driving left.